Hey guys, Swapnil here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at the LG G7 ThinQ smartphone. So I got this from Flipkart for about 29,999, so approximately 30,000 rupees, and this was last year's flagship from LG, which features a Snapdragon 845, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. As you can see for yourself, it has the DDSX LG Boombox Edition branding, all these other brandings, and the website information. Other than that, here we have the pricing quoted as 50,000 rupees, but as I already mentioned, I got it for 30,000 rupees from Flipkart. Let's open the seal and let's have a look at the box contents. So the seal is now off, so lifting the lid here. Okay, so the first thing which we see inside is the phone itself. Feels really good in the hands. I'll keep it to the side and I'll get back to it in a second. First, let us have a look at the contents. Here is the microfiber cloth, which is LG branded, which is a nice addition if you want to keep your phone clean, as it's made up of glass, so it'll attract smudges and everything. Here we have some literature. Here's the SIM ejection tool. Other than that, we have our quick start guide and our warranty card. It will tell us about the buttons and controls and the features and everything. Other than that, we have our wall adapter here, which is the same one which I got with the LG Nexus 5X. And as you can see, it's 9 volts at 1.8 amps, so this is indeed a quick charger, which is a nice addition. Other than that, we have our Type-C cable. I'll just remove this. So this is our Type-C cable in white color. Seems to be of decent build quality. Other than that, we also have our earphones, which is a nice addition because we don't generally see these in a lot of phones today. So we have some extra ear tips. I don't know why have they given one. Okay, it's not one. There are a lot of extra ear tips here, as you can see. Other than that, we have our earphones right here, and these have a braided cable, which is a nice addition, similar to what Samsung does with their flagships. And this is how they look. This appears to be made up of metal. Looks nice and feels nice. I'll tell you about the audio quality in a later video. So we'll get rid of all the box contents and we'll look at the smartphone itself. So here is our LG G7 ThinQ. As you can see, super bright display, AI cam, AI camera, boombox speakers, and Google Assistant key. So let's peel the plastic. So here is the phone itself. Feels really well built, my first initial impressions, and feels lightweight, which is again a good thing. So I'll give you an overview. On the top here we have our front-facing camera, our speaker for calls, and some sensors. Then we have a 6.1-inch Quad HD display. On the bottom here we have our microphone, USB Type-C port, our speakers, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a great addition because a lot of flagship these days are skipping it. On the back here we can see the dual camera setup as well as LED flash and our fingerprint sensor along with the LG G7 ThinQ branding. Here we have some regulatory information, made in India, which is again a good thing. So let's turn it on and we'll have a look at the screen. Well, I guess that would be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll be making a review video of this phone and whether or not it's good for 2019 in about 2 weeks from now. So stay subscribed for that video. And especially for the price which I got it for from Flipkart for about 30,000 rupees. I feel this makes a lot of sense. If you don't want, say, a phone made by a Chinese manufacturer, if you want, say, a tier 1 manufacturer, LG is definitely one of them. Well, that would be it guys for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did so, feel free to hit the thumbs up button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Links to all of them are in the description.